spoke about being mentally strong. How do you do that? How do you increase your mental strength?
Honestly, okay, so this is something I do usually. So whenever I'm sad, so I mean, sad as in, in a state where I don't know what should I do, right? So, and this is something, being a developer, I used to do a lot. So whenever I'm confused in any problem that I'm solving, or whether it's coding problem or algorithmic problem, anything, right? So I used to, and this is something that everyone says. So we should just, go out of that problem and, explore something else. Right. So for me, and when I was in this situation, when I was in this situation, I used to, when I feel, okay, this is frustrating and now I should not take it forward. Right. So many times even, just going out and watching a small clip or 10-20 minutes, it can be funny. It can be, whatever we like. Right. So I love a few shows on Netflix or YouTube, right? TVFA or in our own Indian version. Then I love BBT series, right? So and Rick and Morty and other series, right? So what I do is whenever I feel frustrated or anything, I just go and open up any episode of any season and just watch it and feel light for a while. It won't solve a problem, but it will give me a strength to solve the problem. So and then it becomes easy, because now we are re-energized and we have that energy because we had some amount of fun, right? And then we might be able to give it one more shot, and it worked. Like in most of my tech challenges, it has worked, and last challenge, I think, it should work too, right?
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.